Yep, it's me, CB. Hey guys, you already know it is a Ulta Beauty unboxing. We have the violets. I love the violets. Like, purple is my favorite color. Like, you don't understand. Like, this is the #1 palette I'm going to be using the most. And like, JUVIA's base colors are like really like spot on the colors that you like. All the colors that you need in the palette. It's all in these little palettes that I have here. You see the purple? It's all different shades of purple. Dope, right? That's lit. Look at that pigmentation. And that is the violets. Beautiful packaging, everything great. And this is the first time he's seeing this. And this is the nudes. Now the nudes, oh my god, such a colors that will go with your nude lipstick and or just lip gloss, you know? Like, this is a #1 palette that I'm going to be using as well. It goes with my skin. It's like a no makeup look. So that's the nudes. The nudes are dope. Okay? Dope. And the other one is the berries. Now berries are like they're like a different shades of purple, but a little bit of pink. And they are beautiful. Oh my god. Look at that. Those colors. Dope. And I got Real Technique brushes because those are my favorite brushes. I always will use those. I will forever use those. And they just give me a flawless look, you know? So these are Real Techniques. I think that they are like a newer version of the brushes I normally get. But I have the old collection, so. But these are dope. So we're going to try those out soon. Those are the Real Techniques. See that one? That's a blending brush. Comes with about 4 brushes and a sponge. Got one of those brushes. They're really firm. It's really good. Those Real Techniques. And my favorite mist of all time, the Morphe mist. I was going for the MAC mist, but Morphe's just stood out to me most. And of course, the Clinique. Those came free with my purchase. Lip moisture. These are just new lip things that I'm trying out. Really dope. I have one like travel size one, and they're like, I guess that's for your skin. And one is for your lips. That's really dope. So that's Clinique. Now, my favorite of all time, Redken. Now, Redken shampoo and the purple shampoo are like my #1 go-to products to get. Especially, it's like more on the, I won't say high-end side, but more of on the online side, if that makes any sense. Physician formula, of course. This is a new bronzer I'm trying out. Hopefully it works great. I like the fact that it comes with the sponge and it comes with a mirror. That's dope. No, that's Physician's formula.